How to fix KB5089549 0x80240031 install error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the error. First of all, modify registry through a command. This is a Microsoft recommended workaround. Follow the steps. Launch the command prompt. For this, click on search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description. In the video description you will find a command, this command. Copy the command from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. I have already run this command, so this option is showing on your command prompt. You will see the output operation completed successfully. After running the command, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The next workaround is run non-issue rollback. Again, go to the video description and click on the link for non-issue rollback. After clicking the link, a file will be downloaded. Click on the file. Click on next. On user account control, click on yes. Click on finish. Then click on search, type run. Click on run. In this space, type gpedit.msc. gpedit.msc and click on OK. Local group policy editor will open. Go to computer configuration, administrative templates. This is the non-issue rollback which is installed. Expand it. Select this option. Right click on this policy. Select edit and check the option enabled. Click on apply. Click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. The next method is perform clean boot. For this, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, click on the services tab, check the box for hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Now go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. For startup apps, all the apps should be disabled. If any app is enabled, disable it. Here all the apps are disabled. If anyone is enabled, right click on the app and select disable. You will find disable here. After disabling all the applications, close the task manager. Click on apply. Click on OK. Select restart. After restarting, check if the issue is fixed. You can run SFC and DISM command line tools. For this, click on search, type cmd, click on run as administrator. Yes, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run both the commands one by one. Copy the SFC scan now command. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Wait until the process is 100% completed. Once completed, copy the DISM restore health command. Paste into the command prompt. Hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.